Mercedes Benz Sprinter 2500 camper van. You can see here, engine's running. Engine running. Engine runs pretty good. Okay. We need to change the windshield. We need to put the mirror. I have the mirror. I have door panel. 3 seats in the front. Okay. Tire is really good. You see here. Let's check in the back. They have big backup camera there. You can see here. Let's open the trunk. The tailgate. You can see we have front bumper rebar, and we have LED front door and the panel on the top. Let's come to the passenger side. We have damage here, but I have the part there. We have big sliding door. I have a front door as well. Okay, it starts and runs. Runs pretty good. Okay, it runs pretty good. Okay. Nice.